Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I listed these on Craigslist last week. It was April 8th. Today is April 17th. So it's only been a little over a week and someone is already interested in them. I'm kind of surprised Craigslist is still a thing and it works. I want to get a pressure washer to clean it out a little bit for them. Let's do some research on which ones to get. Okay, I really like this portable one that's battery powered because it comes with a siphon, so we can use some of the rainwater we still have left over to rinse out the IBC totes. And then in the future, if we need something more powerful, because this one is the lowest PSI out of most of them. So if we need a bulkier, more powerful one, we could do that in the future. But for now, I think that little one works. Let's go shopping. We are back from my favorite place. This is how much I ended up spending. I did the 40 volt instead of the 18 because when I bought the lawnmower, it already came with a 40 volt battery. Just put it in there to charge right now. While we wait for that, let's bring it in to make our YouTube short unboxing. Having a pretty good time. This thing's kind of fun. It's a little loud, but not too bad. Gonna get the inside as clean as I can. They're not coming to pick up for a couple of days, so hopefully there's time for it to air out so it's not so gross. I cleaned them up as best I could. They're gonna come pick up soon. I noticed with Craigslist, big items like this, and also there was raised garden beds back here. I'll link the video of me building the raised garden beds and some screenshots of the timestamps on how long it took to sell on Craigslist. But I'm assuming since they're big and difficult to ship, it makes sense to pick up locally on Craigslist because I listed some smaller stuff and those are not selling as well. So I might make a video on how to sell those easier online, maybe eBay or Poshmark. I haven't really used those too much. The plan is to get rid of as much stuff as we can because we want to sell this house in the next year or two and move in with my parents. So just less stuff we have to move later, seems less stressful. But for now, video 360 done.